Gunny again here at Tallahassee Harley-Davidson. How you guys doing today? It's a beautiful 2019 already. Look at this. I'm here to talk to you today about this 2019 Road King Special. You come on down here and see us. This is a great bike. This features the Milwaukee 8 114 in it. It is the Scorched orange black denim. Beautiful, beautiful bike. Has 12-inch Yaffy bars with the Domination series on it for the grips. Has 4-inch Rinehart pipes on it. Come on down and see us, pick it up, take it home. You'll be the first one in town with it.